These are the elevators at the Home2 Suites by Hilton near the Sarasota-Bradenton Airport in Sarasota, Florida. We're going to go up to 4. We're going to go back down to 1. Here's your inspection certificate. Here's your cab view. Schindler 3300. Installed in 2018. £2,500 capacity. We're going to send this one up and ride the other elevator. I'll cut to when we get it. Here it is. The chimes are really quiet on this. We're going to go to 4. 4R probably doesn't work. It doesn't. Here's a quick look at a hallway. We're going to ride it back down. Button was a little hard to press. Let's go 1. 1R probably doesn't work either. As expected, none of them do. None of the rear floors. Here's your cab view. 3,500 pound capacity on this one, so 1,000 pounds more than the other elevator. There it goes, and that'll be it.